Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P050A indicates a cold start idle air control system performance problem in the Honda CRV models produced between 2017 and 2022. This code reflects an issue within the PGM-FI system, particularly related to idle air control during cold starts. The idle air control IAC system plays a crucial role in regulating engine idle speed by controlling the amount of air bypassing the throttle plate during cold starts. Essentially, it helps maintain a smooth engine operation even when starting from cold temperatures. Typical symptoms might include rough idling or stalling, especially when the engine is cold. It's essential to address this DTC promptly to ensure optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Before embarking on the troubleshooting process, reviewing general troubleshooting information is advised to ensure proper diagnostic methods are applied. DTC P050A signifies that there is a performance issue with the cold start idle air control system, which is part of the PGM-FI system. The PGM-FI, or programmed fuel injection, system controls the air-to-fuel ratio for efficient engine performance. The IAC system, which is pivotal during cold starts, is designed to allow more air into the engine while the vehicle is at idle and cold, ensuring efficient combustion. This system is usually located in the engine bay, connected to multiple components such as the throttle body and the mass airflow MAF sensor. The IAC is essential for maintaining engine performance when the engine is cold, so failure in any aspect can lead to problems like stalling or rough idling. Understanding these components' roles and locations will be critical for the following diagnostic steps. The possible causes of DTC P050A include several issues related to airflow and connections. Poor connections within the intake system can hinder the performance of the IAC, leading to erratic idle behavior. Additionally, if the intake air duct is blocked, it can restrict the airflow necessary for the proper operation of the IAC system. This blockage may occur due to debris or incorrect installation. Furthermore, a dirty air cleaner element can severely affect the amount of clean air entering the engine, leading to similar performance issues. Each of these components plays a vital role in ensuring that the air-fuel mixture is optimal, particularly during cold engine starts. It is imperative to inspect and confirm the integrity of all related components to resolve this DTC efficiently. Symptoms of DTC P050A are primarily noticeable during cold starts, where drivers might experience rough idle conditions. This indicates that the engine is struggling to maintain a steady speed, particularly right after being started. Stalling issues can also arise due to the engine's inadequate air-fuel mixture regulation caused by the IAC system malfunction. Additionally, a check engine light (CEL) warning would be illuminated on the dashboard as the vehicle's engine control unit (ECU) detects the issue linked to the P050A code. These symptoms underline the importance of addressing the problem promptly, as neglecting it can lead to further drivability issues and more severe engine performance concerns. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P050 involves initializing the vehicle's power. You should turn the vehicle to the on mode, which primes the electrical systems without starting the engine. Next, you will use the HDS, or Honda Diagnostics system, to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs. This diagnostic tool provides a comprehensive view of any fault codes present in the system. If other DTCs besides P050 are indicated, it is crucial to address those first, as they may contribute to the performance issue at hand. Failure to follow this step properly could result in misdiagnosis, compounding any existing issues within the vehicle. The second step involves conducting a thorough visual inspection of the intake air duct. This component is critical for facilitating the proper functioning of the IAC system. During the inspection, look for any signs of poor connections or obstructions within the duct. Issues such as kinks, leaks, or blockages can significantly disrupt airflow, leading to the performance problem indicated by the DTC. If any irregularities are found, you should either reconnect, repair, or replace the intake air duct as necessary. Ensuring that this duct is in optimal condition is essential for facilitating efficient engine air intake, particularly during cold starts. In the third troubleshooting step, you will perform a visual inspection of the air cleaner housing. This component plays a role in protecting the engine by filtering out contaminants before air enters. You need to check for poor connections or blockage at the air cleaner housing, as these can affect airflow and subsequently the IAC system's performance. A defective or poorly secured housing may cause vacuum leaks or hinder airflow efficiency. If blockages or disconnections are identified, the air cleaner housing should be replaced to facilitate optimal air delivery. Clear and unimpeded airflow is crucial for the effective operation of the PGM-FI system. Step 4 involves inspecting the air cleaner element itself for dirt or debris accumulation. The air cleaner element is vital for filtering incoming air to the engine. A dirty component can restrict airflow and lead to performance issues in the IAC system. During this visual check, any presence of dirt or blockages should prompt immediate action. If the air cleaner element appears dirty, it is crucial to replace it to ensure a continuous supply of clean air to the engine. A clean air cleaner element aids in maintaining optimal performance and ensures efficient operation of the engine, especially during cold starts, as needed for the IAC system. In this step, you begin by allowing the engine to cool until the value of the engine coolant temperature (ECT) sensor reads 122 degrees Fahrenheit or less. This ensures that the test is conducted under the appropriate conditions. Once the engine has cooled, clear the DTC using the HDS to reset the fault codes. After clearing the codes, start the engine and allow it to idle for at least 10 seconds. Monitor the OBD status for DTC P050A in the DTCs menu using the HDS. Observing whether the HDS indicates a fail or pass is essential. A failed status will indicate that the issue persists, while a pass may suggest an intermittent failure or that the system is currently operating normally. Step 6 requires selecting the ETCS test option in the inspection menu of the HDS. The Electronic Throttle Control System, ETCS, is essential for monitoring the throttle position and ensuring that the throttle actuator control valve operates correctly. During this step, you will assess whether the throttle actuator control valve is functioning within specifications. If the test indicates that the control valve is not normal, it suggests that the throttle body may be faulty. In that case, it is necessary to replace the throttle body entirely to rectify the underlying issue affecting the idle air control system performance. In the 7th troubleshooting step, start the engine and hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without any load, typically in park, P, or neutral N modes. During this period, observe the MAF sensor's parameters using the HDS, specifically checking the airflow values. The standard threshold for airflow is between 4.1 to 5.7 grams per second. If the current conditions match these specifications, the MAF sensor functions correctly. However, if the readings fall outside this threshold, troubleshooting indicates that the MAF sensor or the intake air temperature IAT sensor 1 may be defective. In such a case, you must replace the MAF sensor/IAT sensor 1 to restore normal operation and performance of the idle air control system. The final troubleshooting step requires you to turn the vehicle to the off mode and allow the engine to cool down to ambient temperature. Once the temperature stabilizes, note the ambient temperature. Next, turn the ignition back to on mode and quickly check the IAT sensor 1 value with the HDS. It is important to compare this value with the ambient temperature. Any significant difference of 5.4 degrees Fahrenheit or 3 degrees Celsius or more indicates a fault with the IAT sensor. If the readings do not match, it is important to replace the MAF sensor IAT sensor 1. If the IAT sensor 1 readings are standard, checking for dirt, carbon, or damage in the throttle bore becomes critical. Any contaminants may require cleaning of the throttle body, or in cases of damage, replacement may be necessary. After completing all the troubleshooting steps, verifying repairs is crucial. Replace any faulty components identified throughout the diagnostic process, such as the throttle body or sensors. Clear the DTC using the HDS, and then recheck the system to confirm that the DTC P050A does not reappear. Allow the engine to idle post-repair, monitoring for a smooth operation without stalling or roughness. This verification ensures that the issues have been resolved and that the cold start idle air control system is functioning as intended. Successful completion of this step signifies that the vehicle is making optimal use of its designed parameters. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in ensuring that DTC P050A does not recur in the future. Regularly cleaning or replacing the air filter will help in maintaining a free flow of air to the engine, directly influencing the IAC system's operation. Additionally, periodic inspections of intake components are essential to ensure there are no blockages or loose connections that could affect performance. Schedules for routine vehicle servicing should include checks on engine temperature sensors, as well as the throttle body, to catch any potential issues early. Whether it's scheduled services or informal checks, being proactive in maintenance can prevent issues and prolong the lifespan of engine components. In conclusion, understanding DTC P050A and its implications on your Honda CRV is essential for maintaining optimal engine performance. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps diligently can help identify and rectify any underlying issues efficiently. Engine performance, particularly during cold starts, is crucial and should not be compromised. Furthermore, engaging in preventive maintenance strategies will reduce the likelihood of similar DTCs appearing in the future. Keeping an eye on related components, such as the air intake system and sensors, ensures the vehicle remains in excellent operational condition. Comprehensive awareness and proactive measures can help keep your Honda CRV running smoothly and reliably. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.